पहले तो सर ओपनिंग कमेंट्स ऑन दी नंबर्स बिकॉज वी हैव सीन कि रेवेन्यूज थोड़े से कम हुए हैं, मार्जिन डेफिनेटली बढ़े हैं, लेकिन साथ ही साथ प्रॉफिट वगैरह थोड़ा सा इम्पैक्ट देखने मिला है. सो हाउ डू यू सी दी नंबर्स एंड योर ओपनिंग कमेंट्स ऑन दी प्रीवियस क्वार्टर, सर?
Yeah, the previous quarter has been really very good. For international business, the revenue grew by about 9% in INR terms and about 8.6% in dollar terms. It's one of the best performing quarters for us. Considering the current market situation in the international market, this is a very good performance. And coming to the domestic business, which is our India business, we have always been maintaining, please don't measure us on the turnover, please measure us on the gross margin, how much of absolute amount of gross margin has been growing, because this turnover will go up and down depending on the particular quarter. Quarter 3 generally is a very high quarter, and quarter 4 automatically there will be some reduction in the turnover. However, the gross contribution for last quarter to current quarter, there has been a 2.9% growth on that. So the quarter has been really good. And coming to the profitability of the international business, the reported number was 20.6 compared to 23.8 in the previous quarter, but there was a one-time M&A expenses. If you normalize that, it is coming to 23.9%. We had given a salary increase for major portion of people, which had about almost like 97 bips impact on our EBITDA, but still we have recovered most of that through the operating efficiency and reported better margin. Good margin, very good dollar growth. Domestic businesses really doing very well. Return on capital employed continues to be the best. Margins are really good. And most importantly, we have honored the entire campus hire for last year. We have taken all the people, whoever has been given an offer, has been onboarded last year in January itself. And we will wanted to assure to the world that we will definitely continue to be focusing on campus and continue to hire people and honor our commitment.
Okay, definitely, sir. Next, I would like to understand is that what is the contribution of quant system in Q4, because we have seen 8.8% is the revenue growth, including quant, and the organic growth also needs to be mentioned here.
Actually, the quant growth was very, very minimal for last quarter because only 20 days of revenue has come inside. The full quarter impact will be seen in quarter 1 of this current year. Quant is continuously growing very well. They are performing very well, and they will add a good amount of strong revenue as well as the profitability for us.
Okay, definitely. Other than that, how can we see the FY24 full year, the benefit of quant plus largest ever deal we have seen, the $160 million? What can we expect from FY24, sir?
Yeah. For this, we have to see the last 2 financial years. FY22 and FY23 has been really good for Sonata. We continue to achieve high teens growth. In FY22, we had organically grown 17.1%, and the overall growth was around 26%. This year, the organic growth has been about 18.8%, and this is a very, very strong performance compared to what is the situation in the market. Now, this year, as mentioned by Samira, our CEO, we are very, very confident of our performance, and we see a very strong order book and pipeline. We are not seeing any impact of any recessions or any subdued performance in the market at present. So we are very, very confident of continuing to have a strong performance. And for the financial year 24, we believe that we will be able to beat the performance of FY23.
Definitely, sir. Other than that, I would like to understand is how is the cloud and digital infrastructure growth? Because we have seen the DPS business, the growth is very good, and I mean, how do we expect it to grow further in this upcoming financial year?
Yeah, the cloud businesses, cloud and data business is doing very well, both in international as well as in domestic. In domestic, cloud business has been a very, very consistently growing. I can't believe that from 2020, when the COVID, pre-COVID periods to now, the contribution of cloud has substantially gone up for our India business. Very, very, very strong growth, and the demand for cloud continues to be there. And in international business, both cloud and data is driving the growth across the geographies. And this trend is going to continue for at least couple of years more. There is a strong demand across there, across the segment, across the geos, and also in India. So we are very, very confident of the performance of both the businesses in the coming years.
Okay, sir. Other than that, we have seen the IT services EBITDA margins are particularly contracting, and consecutively 7th quarter we have seen it getting below the levels. So what kind of situation is happening here, and what do we expect in the margins terms?
Okay, so what we have given a guidance is by financial year 26, we thought we will achieve 1.5 billion of revenue. In that, $500 million of revenue will come from international business. For international business, the EBITDA margin will be in the low 20s, and India business anyway, gross contribution growth has been above 20% for the last 2-3 years now, and we expect that that growth to continue in the coming years for domestic business. So international business, very good growth with $500 million in by FY26, overall $1.5 billion of revenue by FY26, with the EBITDA margin of international business in the low 20s. Very strong. We expect growth to continue to be good for India business.
Okay, sir. Other than that, domestic products business has been growing very well at 36%. What kind of sustainability do we see in FY24, or any signs of slowing down are you expecting from here?
Not at all. India businesses continue to do well. We expect the performance to continue for the FY24 on.
Okay. Other than that, let's understand the recent deal, the largest ever contract we have signed is in terms of TCVs, it's USD $160 million, and US-based consumer retail companies, it has been the contract. So any more such large deals are you expecting in the pipeline, and how is the outlook here, and what kind of things we should expect?
Yeah, very good question. The large deal, this was like a lifetime high deal for us, 160 million of 10-year deal. The company who has given us the deal is doing very well in the retail consumer retail space. They are growing at their profitability, their double-digit profitability, with backed up by good PE firm for them to support the growth. So we are very, very confident that this actually opened up a door for us to a large extent. And our large deal as a percentage of the total pipeline is more than 40%. So that's a very good situation, and it has grown more than it's 10% better than what it was last year. And we are very, very confident of continuing to grow this large deals for our business growth. And the very large deals, like what we have announced last quarter, generally it takes 9 to 12 months for us to get a completed deal. But we are still working on a couple of them on pipeline. We will continue to focus on large deals, and we'll be announcing more and more large deals in every quarter. And very large deals, whatever in the size of what we have reported last month, we will continue to pursue that. And whenever that we are able to close the deal, we'll announce that to the market.
Definitely, sir. And one last question about the US slowdown. Once we have seen that the IT and the large tech companies have started giving good results, but overall, our customers, what kind of clientele you are getting once you have a contact with them? And more than 50% of US our clients are there from there. And so any kind of slowdown are you expecting now on?
In some verticals where there is a little bit of what to say, I will not say use the word slowdown. Also, it is like a little bit of takes a little more time, or the size of the closing of the deal takes time a little bit type of it. Like high tech, we are seeing some softness. It is not that the softness is not that the existing revenue goes down. It is about the future growth. Future growth is little soft in high tech. However, we are not seeing in other places. Our order books, our pipeline, both are very, very strong, and we will continue to grow very well in the coming years.